Cassandra Ong, kilala ko po siya.
Gaano mo na siya katagal kasama?
Nakikita ko lang po siya, sir, kasi di ba?
Nakakita mo siya, nakakausap?
Hindi po.
Hindi mo siya nakakausap for 5 years?
Hindi po.
Alam mo, nagsisinungaling talaga tong batang to eh.
Mr. Chair,
And I believe that may kalalagyan ka rito, Baterna. Maniwala ka sa akin because you've been there for so many years.
Mr. Chair,
Alam namin na meron kang alam. So be honest.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
I would disagree with you on holding back. I'd like to make a motion that we put Ms. Paterna in contempt of this committee until such time that she tells us the truth about the corporation. So I move, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Ms. Paterna, may motion na po. Naintindihan mo ba yung contempt motion ni Chairman Abante? Do you understand? Alam mo po ba yon?
Hindi po.
Ito, kasi Ms. Paterna, as far as I understand, pag sinight ka ng contempt dito sa House, you will be detained. No? Ngayon, yung contempt is part of our internal rules, Section 11 of our internal rules. At alam mo ba yung violation mo?
Hindi po.
Your violation is paragraph C of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer important questions from the members of this committee. In short, you are lying.
Pasensya na po kayo. First time ko po kasi parang kinakabahan po ako.
Hindi,
Tsaka hindi
kaya
po
nga,
ako
kaya nga
sanay.
in-explain ko sa iyo, so you now understand the consequences of your refusal to answer pertinent questions. Kasi, sandali po, Mr. Chairman, who is the lady?
No. She's the lawyer. Attorney,
Sandali po.
please don't whisper to the resource speaker.
Sandali po.
Let her
Sandali.
answer, okay, on her own. Okay? Unless the members of this committee allow you to say something to your
Mr. Chair, I would withhold the motion if right now Ms. Paterna will tell the truth.
siguro Dennis Cunanan, andyan si Dennis Cunanan eh. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated.
Sandali po, Mr. Chairman, di pa ako tapos eh.
The chairman can interject.
No,
Okay.
I am just...
Yes, I recognize you.
I do not want to
Yes,
hear...
Congressman Paduano.
With due respect, hindi pa po ako tapos because I have to ask first, Ms. Baterna, if indeed she understands the
Okay.
contempt motion.
Okay, because of you give
And now
some...
you're-
wait, Congressman Paduano. Let the chairman acknowledge you again or recognize you before you speak para medyo tayo may order, no? So, the good chairman of Committee on Public Accounts asked some question. So, can you please reply?
Ito tanong ko na diretso. Ms. Baterna,
Yes po.
o ngayon, sinabi ko na lahat. Gusto mo tagalogin natin? Naintindihan mo ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Yung contempt order o
Opo.
motion? Naintindihan mo na? Na ikukulong ka dito sa House. Naintindihan mo ba?
Okay.
Naintindihan mo ba?
Opo.
Tapos, ang violation mo is yung hindi pagsagot ng tama sa mga tanong ng mga kasapi ng committee ito. Naintindihan mo?
Opo.
Please.
Yes po.
Okay. Yun yung consequences. Now, do you want to answer the queries truthfully?
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so...